Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect non-Govee products to your Govee Home app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to control this lamp here with your Govee Home app. How do you actually get it to control this non-Govee product here? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys, but there's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way that I actually did this is that Govee actually has these things called Govee smart plugs. So this is what it looks like. And essentially what it is that it's a Govee product, but it's a smart plug. Okay, so you can see how it says Govee, and on the left here is just a button that turns it on or off. So the smart plug here connects to the Govee Home app, and this plug right here is this lamp that you see right over here. So I connect this lamp to the Govee smart plug, and then because it's connected to the Govee smart plug, I'm able to automatically turn this lamp on. I'm able to automatically turn it off. So if I click on that side light, you'll see that the lamp turns on, and then if I click on it again, it now turns off. But with the Govee Home app, you can set up automations and schedules, and so I have it so that every time at sunset, this lamp here automatically turns on, and then it turns off again at 2 a.m. and even though it's not a Govee product. So with that, I think they come in a pack of 4, but I have a bunch of Govee smart plugs around my home just so that I can set up different automations in which I want things in my house to turn on and off at a certain time. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect non-Govee products to your Govee Home app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.